So will this 65-inch TV fit in a Polo GTI? Let's see. What I like is that it comes with a bathtub, and I know how women really love this thing. This thing. If you're a woman, you know. So guys, I am moving and this is how my room currently looks like. So I've been packing and it looks like I'm not getting anything done. So this will be a video of how it feels like to move with the Polo GTI and if these boxes will fit inside the Polo GTI. So far I got more boxes and look how clean these mats are. Never been used. So this is the original mats from my Polo GTI. As you can see, they still have the red stitching. So I've never used these mats before. They still also smell brand new. And what do you guys think about this key holder? I've been having it for a while. I just took it off, but I just put it on again now. Looks kinda cool. Yo guys, moving is no child's play. I'm so tired and I've done nothing. So right now I'm on my way to fetch the keys for my new apartment. So during this video I'm also gonna give you an apartment tour. But before that, let's hear a cold start of this GTI. The cold start does get so loud, guys, and I like these LED lights. They look really cool. And this is the idle. Now on my way to get the keys. So guys, with me I have a very bad sense of direction. So let's see if I can find my apartment. Probably forgot where it was. So I'm at my new apartment and one thing that I like is that, look, the coverings are not one of those nets, because those nets, they make my car so dirty. Look at that. So that means now my car will stay clean for longer. So this car currently has 41,000 kilometers on the clock and look how clean it looks. People keep on commenting and asking, is this car brand new? Because they say it still looks brand new. And this is how the seats look. So the seats haven't started cracking. They're still in good condition. So what I did is I applied ceramic coat on the seats. So the ceramic coat is it's for the leather. It's not like your normal paint ceramic coat. It's for the leather. So just look how good this looks. So I just received the keys in an envelope and for the basin in the kitchen. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how the apartment looks like. So this is how it looks like. And I'm not sure if I should put the TV here or I'm gonna put it there. But I think I'll place it this side because I don't want it being next to the fridge right here. And there's also like a sliding door, but no balcony, which I don't mind. And this is how the bedroom looks like. I'm happy that you get like 2 outlets in here. And the wardrobe. And this is the bathroom. What I like is that it comes with a bathtub and a shower. So I think this place is good for like when you're staying alone, especially me, like being a bachelor. I kind of like it. So this is how I'm gonna do it. The couch is gonna sit somewhere here and the TV is gonna sit here. Also, it's a gas stove with cupboard space here. I can put the microwave there and a washing machine right there. Yeah, kind of like it, guys. I'm happy. So now I just need to go back and start packing. Yeah, it's a lot of work. Guys, and here's the best part. I can just peek out and look at my baby there. She's just chilling there. Best view. This is the best view ever. So this is the pool area. And behind it there's a nature reserve. So I quickly went back to my old apartment and I had to carry some things in the car. So I just decided to use my Polo GTI to carry some stuff. So the truck that I hired will carry the big stuff like the bed and the headboard. So with the boxes and everything, I'm gonna use the Polo GTI. So I'm gonna take this off, then fold the seats, and I should get more space to fill it more. So the boot space should go from 351 liters to 1125 liters. So guys, this is just a night drive with the Polo GTI. These lights are so much of a game changer. So the brights are always on, but the camera on top of the windscreen will always know if there's a car coming. And if there's a car coming, it will switch off individual lights not to dazzle the driver. And also it will bright the boards on the roads, the signs of the roads. This is a game changer, guys. So I call this dancing lights. You can see how they switch on and off and how quickly they react. So this is very impressive. So will this 65-inch TV fit in a Polo GTI? Let's see. And yes, you can actually get a 65-inch inside your Polo, but the sacrifice is the seats are too forward, so I'm just hoping I can drive, but we'll see. Now guys, this TV is big. It actually took a lot. At least the car is just there. So now I just need to switch it on to see if it's still alive. And she's alive, guys. She is alive. I need to get a TV stand. So guys, I put this TV stand, so this is the new TV stand. So I put it inside my car. So the boot wouldn't close, so that's how I drove with it. So I think it's possible to move with the Polo. Yeah, so the only thing that's missing right now is a couch. Currently, I'll be sitting here. So yeah, and I still need to sort this mess out and probably take this back to the car. So this is how we're currently chilling. Let me just, the view. So I got that flower there and that there. So I'll probably get a couch next week, and this is how it looks like here, and this is how the bedroom looks like, and this is how the bathroom looks like. It's not clean, I still need to clean, but it's just been a little bit lazy, but I'll get most of the things done, as well as my HomePod chilling there and the 2 HomePods there. But yeah, the next video I'll be finishing up this place.